Hello there! I hope your week is going well. This week I prepared these homemade pork meatballs that are budget friendly but also delicious. So let's start. I first chop a whole broccoli in small florets. Broccoli goes really well with these meatballs and the sauce we are going to prepare. I use around 3 cloves of garlic and I chop them finely. This will be used with the noodles. For this dish, I use around 500 grams of pork mince. I use 5% fat pork, it's just my preference. To the meat, I use salt. I will add a bit of salt just to taste, ginger powder, cumin, and garlic granules. I also add 1 medium egg, pepper to taste, and half a cup of breadcrumbs. I mix everything thoroughly. I spray a bit of oil in a large baking tray lined with foil and start shaping the meatballs. Just make sure that you make them around the same size. I bake them in a preheat oven for 30 minutes. My oven is a fan oven around 180 Celsius, which is around 350 Fahrenheit. While I wait the 30 minutes, I boil the broccoli with a pinch of salt for around 3 minutes in boiling water. For this dish, I will also use soba noodles, which I boil according to the packaging instructions, as well with a bit of salt, a pinch of salt. Any noodles will work, but this is just my preference. In a large pan, I use a bit of sesame oil and fry the garlic. And once the garlic is all a bit brown or roasted, then we will add the noodles with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. In another pan, I add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and around 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes and add the cooked meatballs and the broccoli and mix well. I then serve it all and I sprinkle some sesame seeds to the noodles and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this dish and prepare it at home. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next week.